Fourth, everyone. I'd be on video, but I'm having a little problem with my camera. I'm at least working on a computer that has better results, better service. Just want to show you my little SONIC dashboard. See if I can get you interested in the SONIC Airdrop. I'm planning on building on this platform. What SONIC offers is just a hyper-fast, decentralized autonomic graph. You can stake your SONIC, like I have here, just over 1,200. A nice APR, get some tokens for that. You can bridge your SONIC right over here. You can upgrade from Phantom if you're holding Phantom. See, I was building on Phantom before I got here. And you can earn points. So I have just 214 points, just a little bit. I'm working on getting some more for the season 2 that we're going into. And basically, this is an ecosystem with a bunch of apps. I'm looking forward to having an app that can be up here too. I'm going to go ahead and explore these, explore by category. Note, there is a referral program, so if you're watching this video, please reach out. I can get you the link. It's on some older videos on the YouTube Liberty Economy. It's definitely in my X platform under, I should check, I think it's under the pinned post. I have a referral link. I'll just show you here real quick. If you're at the home, there's a home page here. Hold on one second. Points. Do they take away the refer? I don't think so. Let me look for this. No, that's for upgrades. Just check out all these pages. This is the stake. All right. Bridge, that's where you bridge. All right. So home upgrade. Oh wow. I don't see where's here we go. Earn. So oh yeah, this is other ways you can earn. That's not what I was looking for. Leaderboard, dashboard. Did they take away the referral program? Well, maybe it was only temporary. Maybe it was only temporary. I got in early. You all should look into getting in early as well. Silo Finance is a good protocol for gems. I want to play around with that. Beats Finance, Pendle has always been good, especially for stable coins. Rings protocol, great for stable coins. Stable yield. Stability. That's a yield aggravator. I have not even checked that one out. I need to go check that out. These are the top ones, and Euler is lending. I definitely want to play with that. Aave 3. Okay. So you get SONIC points for participating. Okay. How do you qualify? You just earn your points. You get gems for when you're like really doing a good amount of work here. And there's some whitelisted assets that you can hold on to that are certain, not the meme coins. These are whitelisted by the community. This is SONIC ETH and SONIC USD. They have their own bridge. They also have their own Bitcoin wrapped. The first season SONIC Airdrop comes a few weeks after June 18th, following an anti-Sybil review period. At the time, 25% of your allocation immediately available, while the remaining 75 vests over 270 days as NFT positions. All right, where are my points? The Sonic Test Arcade was a digital playground. Sonic Testnet featured 3 play-to-earn games. Well, the reason why I'm doing this and why it's July 4th, liberty in our country requires us to have economic liberty. And I see that especially with these decentralized exchanges where you can get yield. I'm really looking into these. And we want to take a look at all these. I want to do a review on all of these. I love Beefy. That one's always going to be good. Stability. Let's just check out what they have right here. I want to, get into all of this and start managing some crypto. But you guys, I have so much on my plate this week. I should just get started. I'm making a promise to my developer, to my family, my friends, everybody. Oh, it doesn't have Ravi. Oh, there's Ravi. My promise is that I am studying and testing right now to get insurance certification. And that insurance is going to assist me quite a bit. 12% APR. This is great. MetaVaults. Yeah, I like that. This is going in the Telegram. Let me show you what I do. Okay. Let's get Telegram. Now, I have an exclusive community. I'd love you to be a part of it. I want to bring you in. That's why I'm making these videos. It's called Yin Yang DAO. This is our community right now, what it looks like. We have 186 members. Just did a little promotion. We have the Yin Yang DAO section. These are great referral links. You see I have a referral link for Orbiter to Bridge. Web3 Sonic is a referral program on Sonic. We have YieldFi, 12% APY. Excuse me, 11%. And they also have a 16% as well, last I checked. We have the Sonic Points Earn code right here. If you go to that page, you can use my link. Let me open this up. Did they get rid of it? I don't see the referral program anymore. I'll have to ask them what's going on with that. It doesn't look like they have it. Deposits on Ethereum. So you can use Ethereum also to earn some of these points. That's good to know, right? Where's my Telegram? All right, so we have an exclusive group in here. I should have access to. Let me see. Lift DeFi 1. This is for once you paid in. There's Lift DeFi 0. This is where you should be. So once you've paid in, you get access to get some AI tools. I can show you what I'm using for automation. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put this one in here so you all watching the video get a little heads up. This is normally going to be just for the people that have paid their way in, right? But we were giving free value out anywhere, around that 10% APY range, 11% APY. And that's great. You can exit the banks with this. You can have a bunch of vaults. Stable coins under 19%, under 20% APY. Yeah, once you get 3 people, then you get to lift level 1. And that's where you get, once you have referred 3 people yourself, you get there, and then you get stable coins like the 22% APY pool I found recently. This is good, 7% APR. See, it almost makes sense to unstake and stake here just to get their meta vault. I get better yield here than I do on their own dashboard at 4%. Okay, so I'm going to consider that. I'm not sure I'm going to move all my money right now. I could play around with it, but I really want to explore. So that's Stability Finance. Very simple. How do they generate yield? Not 100% sure, but it's part of their token. They have the stable token right here, and they're planning on building some kind of vaults and different strategies. So I'll have to learn a little bit more about them, but that's fair. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, they have a lot of yield farms here. Sparta. Oh, cool. A game. GambleFi. I'm not really into GambleFi. YieldFi is the one we referred. I'm going to see if I can find others with referral links in here. So let's go check out what D Trinity is all about. I hope you all are enjoying this. The first subsidized stablecoin lending protocol in DeFi. I'd like to hear that. I'm all about stablecoins with this group. So we're doing research on stablecoins. I will find stablecoins with yield above 20%. This has supply definity. That's really all that's in here. All these other pools are pretty small. As you can see, there's no utilization, no supply APY here really at all anymore. So they have a borrow APY. This is a lending platform. You can borrow DUSD, it looks like. We'll have to see how this works. You can borrow a type of wrapped Sonic. They have a swap feature. Oh, this is ODOS XYZ. Okay, so they're working with them. They have Sonic. They don't have farms though. They're just connecting to other farms. Let's check out what they have for rewards over here. Trade, earn on chain, and get rewarded. Oh, a loyalty program. Okay. Climb the loyalty tiers, and so if you trade with them, you get some kind of rewards. Cool. Rather than paying fees, you get rewarded. So They have a decent idea here. Limit orders, that's cool. You can do limit orders, that's good. We need to know how to set specific orders we want with trading. You know, this is where you can set up your trades. When it goes below a certain point or it goes above a certain point to take a profit, that's definitely good. I'm going to go ahead and include this. See, this is all free information. Although it's in level 0, this is the kind of stuff that I want to show people and direct them to. And I already had a Discord going. It's still up, but it's old. It's from years ago. Well, going back even over a couple years. There's still a lot of good alpha in there, 100%. I went and checked back some of those dexes, and they're still good. See, I was finding stuff early. But it's old. After the bear market, I kind of got out of the stable coins. I put everything into Bitcoin. I put everything into other cryptos. And you know, I knew that it was going to be very valuable when we come back. Okay, so this is another great APY play, 18%. That's the kind of stuff I'm talking about for new people. And you can get points in the vault, so you have to learn how this vault works. So let's see what they have for earn. Steam protocol. So this is all like the free stuff. Once people pay their way up, I'll find stuff most likely on other chains. This chain is already grown up a little bit. Rewards, dashboard. They want me to connect my wallet. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Earn. Okay, so those are our earning percentage. 13% and 8% on BTC. Great. You know, this is real yield. Oh, and there's a referral. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Let me go ahead and get a referral for that. Wait. It's because I didn't. Oh, I have to put my PIN code back in. That's the thing. Using a Ledger wallet. All right. Got to keep everything safe with two-factor authentication. I do have a referral link. If you're looking for something, then let me get you that referral link so that I can earn a little commission, please. That would help everything I'm doing. Doesn't cost you any more. I think I even get you a discount. I should check out what their current rates are. I was planning on getting another one of these ledgers anyway. All right. So, finish. Crypto petitioner, that's been my handle for a while. Let's try this again. Yeah, now what we're doing is we're baking in the referral links to the Telegram DApp so that people can add their own referral links and they can refer them to others through the DApp. And we are working on building that out right. I don't have any other verification due on my ledger. It's just taking its time. It's a sending signing request. What's going on? I'm going to make sure I'm on the Ethereum network. Sometimes it default puts me on Solana. That's exactly what happened, I think. Okay. I'm going to try it, retry. Resent. Come on. Just standing by. Wait for this to work. I want to just start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. Okay. Begin signing process. Now it's working. Okay, great. See how you troubleshoot? This is stuff people need to know. Sometimes you just got to start over. Troubleshoot. Great. Now I have my referral program. Copy link. I'm going to go in here. New high. Say high yield USDC and BTC. All right, so let's reach out to my dev and say, bro, I got one more. set everything up to reach out to them for a grant very soon. Yeah. Later this, let's do an interview next week. Ton chain, let's. Reach them next week. I have a great blog going out, and this is going to be really, really wonderful. Let me see, it'll let everyone know. New high yield BTC, F, and USDC for paid members who join. All right, cool. So if you're watching this video, you're getting stuff a little ahead. All right. If you want this referral link, please, I can just post this out here. I'm just going to go ahead and post this one here anyway. Actually, that's what I need to do. New high always members who join. 0. Let's see. We will add to the DAP for added referral bonuses. 18% APY on USDC. This is actually really a good deal. You know, who does not want that? This is new 18% APY USDC. So the plan of this local incentive is to onboard business owners into crypto, get them to accept it, get them to get their customers into it. We have a solution for this. We can do this. So yeah, we're going to 100%. Nothing is going to stop us. We're building it anyway. Business owners will do it. We have the Trump crypto reserve, and different states are doing it as well. So we're definitely going to have a lot of benefit. Automated exposure DeFi's highest quality yield. This is cool. Is this automatically compounding? Is this what it is? One-on-one guidance on onboarding, email support tickets for all your questions, live chat for immediate needs. This is a great looking app. Summerfi. It's got a nice theme. Just sit back, watch your USD grow while you're relaxing this summer. If you have enough USDC growing, you're going to make some money. That's why stablecoins are so good, even if it's a bear market. Okay, bull market, bear market. Crazy, higher risk. What is this? More aggressive strategies. 6 to 38.19% summer. So this is stuff that's supposed to be exclusive just for our members. If you're watching this video, then you're in. Yes, anyone can find this. This is high risk. Okay, what's this? Optimal yield on Arbitrum. This is pretty good, though. We're going to have to put this into our level 3. Do they have a... What if they have a referral program? I'm going to have to definitely grab some of these summer tokens. Rebalancing. I like that. I wonder what it gives it high risk, though. And they have customer support. That is actually really cool. So, ooh, look at this. Nice front end wallet. They do other blockchains. Yes, they do. That's why. Okay, so. Oh, and they let you borrow. That's great. So these are some yield pools as well, yield farms. Let's see, ETH. I like this. Staked ETH and Ethereum, 8.74. You know, it's a little better than what you get with just staked ETH alone. This isn't a good one right here. 10.73 on ETH. All right. Economic freedom, baby. It's July 4th. This is what people need. If you like this video, please leave me comments. Show up on the Facebook. Say hello. Show up on the Crypto Petitioners page on Facebook. Really, x.com is where I'm building now, right? I got to build on X. Facebook is so censored, so controlled. let's just check this out. Yeah, this is a great platform. We're going to go ahead and put this into the secret space. Normally, I don't need to, expose all of these farms, okay? Yeah, actually, I'm just going to put this in Lift DeFi 1 right now for my people. Because I have other farms. Yeah, and you'll find that there's, oh, I don't need that one. Let's see, we're going to go Summerfy earn. Yeah, we're going to keep this farm. This one goes up to 40%. So because it goes up to 40%, see, this is what people get when they pay in. I like this one, lower risk. APR 5 to 40, but still. We're going to go ahead and put this. I could put this in 30% because it's very flexible. So I'll probably just do that. But yeah. We're going to archive all these farms through the bull market, through the bear market. So all of our community has the right places to go to have a diverse portfolio. Do you see the plan? Do you see this bear market solution that we are talking about now? I hope you do. And this is basically how you do yield farm research. Go to your ecosystems, go to your yield, start looking it up. And there's going to be other things in here that will be interested in checking out. I want to be part of the SocialFi, the launch pads, the stable coins. I want to check out what this is real quick. Yeah, some of these same ones are in the stable coins. See, River. Let's check out what this one is. All right. Mint, swap, bridge, redeem, staking. 25x rewards. What does it say? Start earning. Chains. Look at this. Assets. These are USDC pairs. Stable assets. I like that. Yeah, let's see. What's the APY, though? Oh, Bob. That's a good one. Built on Bitcoin. Definitely went Hemi. I haven't even used that one yet. But Bob is one of the Bitcoin assets that I'm very fond about. And there's a lot of the Bitcoin DeFi that's out there growing. Okay. And Bob is one of them, where you're building yield on the Bitcoin blockchain itself. And you want a nice portfolio of these. Look, 11% APY. That's pretty good. You do. You want a portfolio of these because they are going to be a huge player. What is this for fun? Connect Twitter account? I might as well just connect. Yeah, they're going to be, all these Bitcoin blockchains with DeFi are going to be huge. Take it from me. If you want a good pool of those, if you want to know what I've researched and found, you want to join Yin Yang DAO. Let's see. I hope my password is the same. I remember. So I change these often. Nope. Let's see. Because I'm not using this computer as much, but I should because it runs very functionally. There we go. Okay, get my text message. All right, hope you're following me on my X account. Please, be a part of this. What is this, a game? For fun. I want to see what this is. Oh, I want a referral code, and I want to refer people. Okay. So let's figure this out. Go to Discord. All right, where is it? Continue. Where is that link? Let's go now. Message failed to load. What is this referral code? Give me a referral code, please. You do not have permission to add anything. Okay, we got to go to verification. Must read. Phishing, beware of scams. Yes, in all cases, beware of these scammy people that say they are the dev trying to reach out to you, especially in our own server. No, I don't want to allow direct messages from certain members. Okay. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. Oops. 6, 6, 9. Hopefully this is a quick and easy process and I can get a referral code. All right. Welcome. Where is that referral code? Invite code, yes. Yeah, we're going to have our own. Actually, I need to create a referral code stream for our group because there's a lot of people that are going to come into our group and they won't even have the referral code for the Yin Yang DAO. So I need you to get one because you have to join under somebody each time. Let's see if this one works. Confirm. Yay. Oh, wow. River. It says, wow, 359. See, that was worth looking into. Look at this. So you stake the USD on BNB. You get 268. This is a gold tier kind of place that I want. Meryl, 1,000%. I'm going to go have to grab some of that. It's not a bad token. B2, that's a good one. 668. I found a new home to start banking some yield. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I want that B2. I want that Meryl. Zeta, that's a good one. That's a privacy token. Some of these, I'm not sure what all these are right here. Of course, Wrap BNB, Solve, not as familiar with that one. Check it out. And USD, that one's stable. I like that. So you get 268% APR. This is the gold. This is the kind of stuff that goes into level 7, guys. This is the kind of stuff that goes into level 7. I shouldn't even be showing you this, how exclusive it is. Because the problem is, if I go and tell the whole world about this pool, don't tell anyone. If you're watching this, keep your lips tight. Join me if you want to start getting into this space, okay? But yeah, you don't want to tell everyone because your yield's going to go down. I mean, it just is. There's a lot more yield in other places, but like when it was the bear market, I was not telling anybody because I'm keeping all the highest yield for myself. And just notice, no one's going to really be doing USD right now. They want that volatile token to go to the moon. So that's for me to stake my profits. Like I'm taking profits right now periodically because it is the time to do that. Now, how do I get my own referral code? That's what I want to do. I'll submit a project. I like that. Submit a project. Current tier. Posts. What is this? Generating your post. Really? Is this like an X post? What does it do? I don't see anything. Okay, don't forget to tag. I gotta promote. Let's see what happens. Oh, there's my. Please try again. Oh, copy referral link. Okay, copied. So they want me to refer people here, and I get points. Okay, so the bag's out. I gotta tell people, right? That's the thing. So let's go to x.com, guys. Okay, so everyone in my DAO should be happy with this one. Okay. And it's got a referral, so we might as well refer people. You get a little commission from that too. And yeah. I am. Cool. Show them we added so many. We should get a grant to stake. Yep, I agree. This should be right into the app. This is great. And Yin Yang DAO, new. 200% plus APY on USD with referral link. Normally, this is reserved for level 7 members, but because it has a referral, I hope you all see value in the alpha. Let me know what you think. This is fun. Yeah, I got to go into my insurance study, but I'm really happy to go into these because I could start moving some money around and diving into these pools. You have to know how to stake them. Oh, and I'm on BNB chain. That's part of the thing right now. This is not Sonic chain, but that's okay. Let's see, where's the Sonic chain? It should be right here. Switch to Sonic. Okay. They just show you all these pools anyway, regardless of what chain you're on. It looks like BNB. These are all BNB chains, not Sonic. So technically, actually, I guess, well, the platform river is still on Sonic. So yeah, we'll still make this work. These are all BNB. You need to be on the BNB chain itself. It'll take more time. I'll research this. If anyone wants tutorials on how to get these tokens, how to get in here, get that B2 bomber. That one looks so good. The B2 bomber. Let's go. So we got the B2 Bitcoin layer 2. Okay, that one's going to be huge. Tag. I don't know what these are. Just because it has high APY doesn't mean that it's going to be the best thing either. Could be a shitcoin that just tanks. But Bob, built on Bitcoin. That should be the same Bob. It looks like a different one though. It's got a different logo. That's another just meme coin named Bob. Liberty, yeah. Okay, so we have a lot of BNB. So I could go through and learn these. I'm gonna figure this out later. I'm just kind of doing a quick overview, and I need to get to my insurance study. That's what I need to do. But that's the solution. I get my insurance study. I get my license. I'm going to start making some great money. I'm going to be recruiting and helping other people. I need to check out what Hemi is. Hemi is a new layer 1. Huh. Hemi. Yeah, built on Bitcoin. This one looks great. Just another great platform for USD. What wallet does it take? Connect your EVM. Connect on Unisat Bitcoin wallet. Awesome. Let's see. My Ethereum wallet's so pathetic in this one, guys. Don't laugh. All right. DEX. That's cool. Okay, different aggregators to eyes and DEX. Nice. Yeah, we got to learn about this. This is another Bitcoin-based protocol. Hemi Bitcoin Kit. Yeah, this is solid. I need to get myself some Hemi tokens. Ooh, I could swap from Ethereum to Hemi or Bitcoin to Hemi. That is really cool. Yeah, if I was on the Uniswap Bitcoin wallet, for example, I could do that. So I'm going to have to send some Bitcoin to my Uniswap Bitcoin wallet. This one looks good. Stake. Let's see what they have for staking options here real quick. I put this on one of my levels. All right, circle wallet balance. Where's the yield percentage? Stake and earn points. They don't tell you. They don't tell you what the yield is. Well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just save this because this is some alpha into the level 1. Because I'm building this as we go. Or level 0. Yep. I want people to get the Bitcoin alpha early. BTC based. I'm always here to help people when needed, as I can, and we'll be creating tutorials on how to use these platforms. Right now, I'm giving you a tutorial how to research, aren't I, and find those high-value stablecoin pools. So I'm going to love that one. I love this one. I love this one. Okay. SummerFi is good. And I've already checked out rings. They're okay. Let's check out this one. All DeFi sectors. Let's see. And I think we'll just finish it here after this post. I'll just maybe wrap it up with a little bit more insights of what we're building. Real yield tokens. What is this? Elite. Oh, rings. L Ramses. Oh, there's a lot of different. Things going on. Blast network. Decentralized exchanges. What are they trying to do? Public directory, popular guru network dApps. Okay, so it's just a directory. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Of popular dApps. Join us on Discord. Yeah, we'll check you out. So that maybe they're finding some really good dApps out there for whatever reason to check out. Yield farming optimization. Yeah. Permissionless yield compounder. Yield state. This looks good. I'll have to look about this. Light farmlands, farming as a service. All right, now this whole platform needs to be reviewed. This has a lot of gems in it. So I just got to check out this compound real quick. I invested in this one, this little thing right here, whatever that one was called with the Ethereum. I invested in that earlier. I got to find my money. All right. Earn 1% of each harvest just for paying the gas. Earn compound interest on those rewards. Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah, we're going to have to research this. That's Phantom. Okay. I don't see stablecoin pools, so it could be some permanent loss. We don't see yield or anything in here, but we don't see what the yield is. This is a stablecoin pool, DaiMai. Let's see. I don't see any APY here to rave about. I see 0. So what is it actually doing? I'll have to learn more about this one. We'll just have to come back. We'll have to come back to this. Eliteness network. All right, we'll check it out. All right, so that's where we are today. Plan to get through more of these, and there's a lot of stuff to look out for. And we're planning on getting our own project. Now, I was supposed to launch my project the other day on. This is Launchpad. D-Trinity's a Launchpad too? No. Oh wait, let me get this out of here. Yeah, just these ones. I was about to launch on Lazy Bear. Mint Meme looks like it could be good as well. Degen Express is where I get the points, and I was attempting to do this, and I could not get it done. So let's see if we can do this now. Yeah, see, that's my post. You guys want a token with utility, and I didn't even get a response, but that's okay. I think I was having a glitch because the computer I was on. I'm not sure what the problem was. Let's see, I need to find my. Oh, it doesn't show the image here. I gotta find which image I'm doing. Give me a second. Might as well launch on July 4th, don't you think? See, my camera works. I don't know if you just saw that, but it's just not showing up in this platform for some reason. All right, so I do not have my official logo here. I'm gonna have to get that. All right, give me a second. Facebook. I don't know if this is my password. Hope so. Wrong. Try again. I think I know which one it is. Nope. Actually, I got a better idea. I'm going to go grab my best icon and drop it right into the Telegram. Right here. Give me a second. Yeah, finding that BNB stable pool looks great, though. To those assets with that high yield for a little bit. Okay, let's see what I can do. I gotta find my actual logo. If I can't find it here, I think I can snag it from my Facebook group I'm inside right now. May have to do that. All right. Give me a second. Oh yeah, see how DGen Express just kicked me out? That was the same problem I had last time. I don't know if it's going to actually let me do the work. Photos. All right, I'm going to go into the Telegram now and post my logo. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and take this logo, save image as, or copy image. Let's see, save image as. Desktop. Let's see what it has. Lift logo. Okay. All right. I want to get my points. Hopefully this will work. And I need to add the socials. Discord. Yep, see, it just kicked me out. I can't even use their platform. I might be able to trade some meme coins, but they're going through some issues right now. I'm not even going to keep messing with that. That is broken. Get my Discord link. Sex DGUYP. It says sex in the referral link, just randomly. Okay. All right. Let's get out. DGen Express. You look nice, but yeah, you're not really helping me out here. Mint meme, or I'll do mint meme. Sonic V2. Oh, I gotta connect my wallet again. Too bad people are minting these stupid memes that just are annoying to look at. I'm going to launch a actual utility project. I might be going about this the wrong way. That's the other thing. If I could use this launchpad, it's certainly a way to work, but then it confuses people, throws them all into all of this mess. Maybe that's why I shouldn't launch it. I should just get my liquidity up from the Yin Yang DAO and then launch. All right. I think that's actually more likely what's better to happen, because then I have to direct people to these meme sites, and these meme sites are kind of trash. They have to look through all these things. See, someone's trying to relaunch the Sonic blockchain. No way. And they got 100% funding for their fake token. How did that work? That's not the real one. They didn't mint their token through this platform, did they? What? Looks like they threw the actual Sonic was deployed here. How did that happen? On this platform, really? Okay. Shadow liquidity, got it. Tokens per mint. Shadow is a good one. Token name symbol. Social, editable later. Shelter. Okay, great. I can do that later. I can edit this later. That's what I like to know. X.com. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let me get that right. Come on. Why does it say X? Okay, great. Oh, really? It's gonna have that little. I don't think that line's part of it. Pretty sure that's not part of it. Oh, it does have the line there. Okay, let me see if can I crop that. Get that right. Hey, what happened to the crop tool? Okay. What? Edit, undo. Save. All right, now I got that. Let's select image. Hey, why did it didn't show? No, that was unhappy. Okay, not happy about that. Let's get this crop tool to work right now. Just need a little logo. Open. Okay, save. Save as PNG on the desktop as lift 2. There we go. There we go. Great. X.com. Yeah, I can update this later, so I'm going to do economy. Telegram link to Yin Yang Smart Contract. Why is it Yin Yang Smart Contract? Because we fundraise for both Lift and Up, the United Petitioners project, for the BallotAI token, which is my baby. That's 20 years in my industry. I've worked and know exactly how we can disrupt it and give real power to the people, real direct democracy. Unlike any of these other kind of organizations talking about it, we're going to actually build it with policy and ballot filing and everything like this. Let's see. Let me just grab DeepSeek to write me a quick description. Maybe I should use ChatGPT, but let's see. Actually, this is the main one I use. This one's even better in general. Okay, write me a token description for teaching business about instant payment settlement and replacing transaction fees with donations. Explain. We'll push benefits. Okay, write me a token description. with emoji. Hopefully it's not too long. We'll let that go. Token supply. How many tokens should I percent for liquidity? Oh, interesting. How many tokens? 100 for 100 tokens. Oh yeah, we're gonna do, how much do we want? 33 million. That's a small amount of tokens. Just above 21 million. This could be like the next Bitcoin. Okay. Total Sonic. Total token minter. What's that? Percent for liquidity. Total supply. Total liquidity amount. Do I want to just do 1,000 Sonic? I could do 2,000 Sonic. Give it a little bit of a. I mean, it can start small. Just 1,000 Sonic. That's the $300 worth. Total minter. Total minter. I don't know what that means. Maybe I need to ask questions. What is this? Does it tell you? Total minter. Total Sonic. Let's see. Pump fund. 10% allocated for liquidity, 90% for public minting. Okay, got it. 90 million for public. Yeah, I only need about 10%. That's a good example. Once sale tokens with the contract, let's create initial liquidity. BNB tokens as Uniswap, fair minting, fair trading. Okay. Deploy token. Liquidity percent. Percentage total allocated for initial liquidity. Why is this on BNB? No, this is just still promoting BNB, but it's really a Sonic project. 10, what is minter? The remaining tokens will allow how many addresses to be minted? You know, if the total supply is 100 tokens, with 10% of tokens and one BNB allocated for initial liquidity, 10 minters are required. So 10 addresses will mint the token, with each mint requiring, each minter will receive 9 tokens. 10 tokens. Okay, I got to give it 10 addresses. Interesting. Minters. Oh, interesting. To incentivize the deployer, once token supply is fully minted, you'll receive 1% of the BNB portion of the liquidity. In this previous example, you will receive. Okay, I think I get that. So, set 0. Deploy meme coin without initial liquidity, and it have the liquidity at 0. Got it. Charging fees, however, please note each address can mint multiple times only until a token supply is fully minted. Some tokens require native token for initial liquidity. It cannot be transferred until minting is complete. Other tokens do not require native token. Transfer at any time. Okay. We don't need 50%. Let's just do 10%. Let's do 10. Total minter. Okay. Is that enough? Should we do more tokens? 100 million? Then it's really squared up. 100,000. 100 million. Yeah. $100 million. That sounds like a good amount. I don't know. I was thinking about divisibles of 5 too, but this 100 million is not a bad amount. If I do a small amount, then these tokens can go price a lot. 100 million. What about 100,000? What if I just do 100,000? No. Ooh, the dilemma. 100 million, 10 million. I think 100 million is actually pretty fair. That's a good amount. Let's do it. What is this? It's giving me an error. Oh, I didn't put a description in. Duh. Let's get this going. Good thing I didn't mint without a description. Hopefully this is all it needs, and I gotta connect my wallet one more time. All right, I think that's a pretty good description. I just checked that out. I'm gonna add this. Well, this will conclude the day. I will feel really happy to have done this today on July 4th, Independence Day, to celebrate independence with economic localization, independence from the corrupt banks. Now, they are our friends in other ways. I shouldn't just attack them because we can get loans. I'm learning how to use those in business leverage, but the whole debt cycle is a trap. I don't like that, so let's just be real. Banks have problems. No ABI for custom error. What? Oh, God. All right, well, you saw me here trying to do this, okay? People might see this trying to create a fake version. It's not going to be the same. I don't care if you make a fake version. People do that all the time. No ABI for custom error. What the heck? And that's not my wallet address, so I'm just going to copy that and say, what's going on, guys? I'll keep this page open. Maybe I'll come back to this later. I want to this error. All right, 7 plus 6. That's 15. Let's do that. Did I do it right? Oh, 13. Did I get my math wrong? Sorry. All right. I got an error trying to launch. Can you help? All right. Mint Meme Fun. They're a small group. All right. Seeking to launch. This is the thing. You gotta know how to ask questions. I tell people the only people not making money are those who are not asking questions. That's pretty much what it boils down to. So I have everything amount. I got this all set up. I got the minter. Why would it not work? I got the token name. Let's see if I change the name, if that helps. Nope. All right, well, I'll come back to that. I also have Lazy Bear. I can attempt to launch this here. This is one other backup. Great. They have a lot of activity. Let's try to do this. Let's see if it works here. If it works here, then we'll go with Lazy Bear. Time is of the essence. I don't think we're doing anything wrong here. Not rushing, I'm just launching a token. Okay, sending signing request. Because we're going to build a utility no matter what. That's why this is going to work. People might look at it as like a meme coin. They might bet on it. But we're doing this because it's actually a big deal. This is beyond just a meme coin. All right. It's a utility project, and the utility will be realized as we can build out dApps. That's all. Hey, they let me put the whole name in there. Let's do that. I'll just do economic lift. Yeah, that's economic lift or local incentive. I like that one. Optional settings, curve type. Yeah, I don't know about the curve type, what that means. Early investors advantage. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Curve type. That's more fair. Later distribution. This incentivizes early people. Kind of want that one. Why not? Lift.now.site. Yin Yang Smart Contract. Check that out. You don't want to miss that. We have a great fundraising program available right now. Max 500. Okay. Let's go. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Economic lift is born. Looks like that's what it takes. You just got to start something somewhere. And it should all be working out right now while this loads. Token launched. Yeah. Token profile. Looking for my token. Why does it say no token available? See? Something's fucked up already. It did say token launch. You all saw that. Okay. We got it on video. I mean, let's see. Lift? Did it show up? Oh man. Really? What happened? Did they pull money out of my account? Transactions. 500 Sonic. Okay, so where's my token, guys? All right, well, this is the kind of shit that you have to deal with sometimes, right? Maybe it just takes a minute. That's what I'm hoping is ready to go. I got to contact them right now and be like, guys, I created a token. What's going on? New. Lift. There we go. Sonic. I love that. Sonic is a great one. Why does it say no token available? Still swap. What the hell? Should have a link. Oh, upon migration, LP moved to Shadow Exchange. Got it. it's the same community? That doesn't make sense. View in Telegram. Tap to verify. Okay. Join group. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't show up with search, but it goes with new. Should be right here. New. Trending. Recent token launches. Still doesn't show up. That's weird. We just saw it. This is the kind of stuff we have to deal with now. Should just be easy. This is not the kind of stuff that I'm not proud of blockchain when it's giving me this many headaches. See if they say anything. Damn. I'm supposed to be able to show my community right now. Wow. I'll have to come back to it. I'll have to come back. It's in here. Maybe it just takes some time. I don't assume that I'm being scammed. I mean, it looks like they're launching stuff every day. Sonic Coinbase listing. Yeah, Sonic Base. That's a meme coin though. There's no value behind any of these. I'm the one actually producing a utility token. Wow, why doesn't it not show up? All right, well, you know, buyer beware. $300 gone. This should work. This should work. Come on, I'm gonna upgrade the Telegram. Anyway, yeah, economic lift is a great idea. Economic localization. You don't understand how it works? Go to economiclift.com. Hopefully, yeah, maybe does it show up on the profile? There we go. It does show up here. My tokens. Yeah. Amount held. That's how much I have? I have 61 million. Really? Of the 100 million made? Interesting. All right, well, here's the account right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and post this into the group. No description. Why does it say no description? Oh, that's my personal account. Entrepreneur. There we go. There we go. Save my profile. That should save, and doesn't look like it is either. Yeah. I can't even. Make this my logo also. Yeah, their system isn't working to let me even upload it. There we go. Okay, cool. Crypto practitioner. Okay. There we go. Great. All right. So supply. Oh, 100 billion. That's right. Okay. Did I make 1 billion? I didn't. Oh, 1 billion? Is that what I made? Okay, I did 1 billion. Is that what I did? Not held. Okay. So I have a little bit of dev funds. Volume traded. We're going to have to figure out how do you trade this. Local incentive. That's how it should pop up. All right. Well, let's see. Did they write me back? Let my group know. Financial technology on All right, there we go. Now, people are going to say, how do I trade this? I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to get in there. I don't know how to trade it right now either. So let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. Oh, that's a cool image. Brains. What is this? See, when I click on them, I can access it. Brain state. Oh, interesting. Jupiter LPR. Oh, interesting. Next epoch. Brain staked. Oh, and it shows a chart. Interesting. Just a lowest possible point to buy brains right now if you want some brains. Interesting. Do they have a website? Next epoch. I'd like to know about the website because I don't like projects that are just a token with nothing else. APR 396, but then what do you get with it? You know, are they doing anything? It's 173 days old. That's what I don't know. And looks like I already need to be trading some. I'm going to pass on this one for right now. I like their logo. Local. It should show up as local incentive. It should show as lift. No. All right, we're going to have to come back to this, right? Maybe they have just a period. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All these other tokens are doing just fine over here. Launching. All right, well, it's at least that's done. I'm going to go ahead and ask for some support, and I'm sure we'll get it. We'll figure it out. I'm going to have to dive into the community, and they have some activity here, so that's good. But hey, if you're watching me right now, I got 8 viewers. Cool. Nice to see you. Hello. See my little hand. I'd show you more, but I have to get into my insurance study. I need to crush it in my insurance. Showed you how to launch a token. Want to definitely get into the SocialFi stuff. Sonic name service, will probably end up doing that. Thunderdome. But yeah, Thunderdome. I remember hearing about DeFi, social universe that leverages immersive storytelling and gaming. That sounds fun. So we're going to have to get into those together. We're definitely going to do some of that. Not today. I showed you how to research your yield, right? Showed you some good yield out there. BTC waiting for this. Oh, Solve protocol. That was the one I was waiting for. It wasn't around before. That's right. Let's just check these out real quick. All right, we're going to finish here. Because this is this Sonic Bitcoin? This is pretty cool. Solve Bitcoin in circulation. They have a lot of different blockchains. Staking. There we go. Staking. Nice rewards here. Remember that high yield we saw on Solve earlier in the video on BNB chain? Let's go grab that bear chain. I participated in that one early on. All right. Not incredible yield over here, 7%, 6%. It's good to know. Oh, Solve BTC. What is this? This is a Bitcoin-based protocol. Merlin. That's a Bitcoin-based protocol. I was learning about that back when oracles were coming out. Or ordinals. That's what it's called. Swap into Bitcoin. That's great. Cross-chain. I love that. Corn is another good one to look into. That's a Bitcoin-based one. Oh, right from Solana. Oh, and Sonic. Ah, perfect. I can go from Solana to Corn with Solve BTC asset. That's amazing. Yield market. Okay, 9% APY over here, 7% here. All right, just cool to check out. Point system. Claim your airdrop now. I don't have an airdrop ready. Hold D5 up. Pause a Bitcoin B and Solve Bitcoin. You get 4x multiplier. That's good to know about. All right, we'll come back here. And we're going to check out Stakestone. Actually, I think I've heard of this. This looks familiar. Is this the same stone token I got? I got airdropped that a while back. Let's see. Join our liquidity pad. Goat pre-work deposits. Bear chain. Prune. Let's go see what they have over here. Goat network. Interesting. First Bitcoin ZK rollup with real yield. That's what I'm talking about. Earn and play. Oh, I need an invite code. All right, we're going to have to come back here and get some invite codes. Start playing some game. Build. That's cool. I want to build. But I need to learn coding so bad. I need to get my insurance license, and then I'm going to start building because I have a lot of ideas. But really just focus around 2 main ideas. Economic lift and United Petitioners, and then everything around that will work out good. The Doge Vault. This is BTC lending, sequencer POS staking, Artemis Finance. From the real VC cash. Okay, 10% yield on sequencer. I'm going to have to put this in my community. I'll put this in level 0. All right. All right. Well, thanks everybody. I'm going to work on getting my camera all set up for next time. Um, yeah, because it was showing my camera. See? Does it show here? See? Hey there. I'm here. It's just for some reason it wouldn't connect. I tried troubleshooting. I mean, it's working fine. It's just the application is not connecting to it. That's the problem. It's not, I don't have a trouble with Windows 11. I have trouble connecting this Restream application. All right. Well, anyway, thanks for being here, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed today's video diving into some DeFi stuff. And we will be back later.